Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to unpin a message on a Telegram chat using the latest updated method. If you've ever pinned a message and later wanted to remove it, Telegram makes the process very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where the message is currently pinned. This could be a private chat, a group, or even a channel where you have permission to manage messages. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the top of the screen. You'll see the pinned message displayed in a small bar. Next, tap on that pinned message at the top of the chat. This will take you directly to the original message inside the conversation so you can interact with it. Now, single tap on the message itself. This will open a menu with several options depending on your permissions and chat type. From this menu, simply select Unpin. As soon as you tap it, the message will no longer be pinned and it will disappear from the top of the chat instantly. That's all there is to it. The process is quick, and you can repeat these steps anytime you want to manage pinned messages in your chats. Just keep in mind, in group chats or channels, you may need admin rights to unpin messages. If you don't see the option, it likely means you don't have the required permissions. And that's how you unpin a message on Telegram using the latest update. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips to master Telegram and other messaging apps.